At number 1, we have the Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This compact cordless inflator is an Amazon top seller, ditching the hassle of old, bulky models. Its powerful, fast inflation works for cars, trucks, motorcycles, bikes, and more. The digital gauge, auto shutoff, and a bright LED light, it's the smart, reliable choice for any driver.
At number 2, we have the AVID Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a bestseller for its incredible performance, inflating car and bike tires in minutes. Its auto shutoff system prevents overinflation for a truly hands-free experience. Plus, a built-in LED light ensures you're never left in the dark. It's the versatile, rugged, and user-friendly inflator that's perfect for your household or next road trip.
At number 3, we have the Slime Cordless Pro Power Tire Inflator. This beast inflates a standard car tire from flat to full in minutes. Serious power. Set your desired pressure and it shuts off automatically. No guesswork needed. And with powerful LED lights, you're never left in the dark. Slime's Pro Power model, the ultimate cordless inflator for cars, trucks, and emergencies.
At number 4, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator. If you're looking for an inflator with the toughness, versatility, and power of DEWALT, this is a worthy choice. Though it may be more expensive, it's the sole cordless inflator that can efficiently handle both car and full-size truck tires. But it inflates more than just tires. It's designed for rafts, paddleboards, and air mattresses too. It has dual output ports, a standard valve, and a larger high-volume hose for bigger inflatables. The user-friendly interface has an easy click wheel, real-time pressure monitoring, and automatic shutoff. Measuring 13 feet long, it reaches the rear tire of an extended cab and even comes with a...
At number 5, we have the VIAIR 300P. Meet the VIAIR 300P, your trusty partner for all things tire inflation. VIAIR is a front-runner in high-performance air compressors. Built to last with premium materials, it delivers 2.3 CFM and 150 PSI to satisfy even the most demanding users. Ideal for trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps, this 12V air compressor is a must for every driver, especially off-road enthusiasts. Just 8.7 lbs, it's compact and portable, and comes with a handy carry bag for reliable heavy-duty performance. At number 6, we have the Black & Decker 20V Max Inflator. For those who purchase an inflator and want to inflate various items, this is the one for you. It's a practical tool with a built-in LED flashlight. Its 3 power sources, battery, 12V, or AC, mean it's ready to go anywhere. It features a digital gauge, automatic shutoff, and solid performance for tires and inflatables. Consistent mid-range seller praised for versatility and ease. The Black & Decker 20V Max Inflator.
At number 7, we have the TEROMAS Tire Inflator. Meet the TEROMAS Inflator, ideal for anyone on the go. What makes the TEROMAS unique is its 120-volt household adapter alongside the standard 12-volt plug. Inflate tires at home or on the road. It offers fast inflation, a digital gauge, LED light, and good value, making it a popular budget-friendly choice. TEROMAS Tire Inflator. One device for all your inflation needs.